Welcome to OIS.GOLD, the first ever AI solution in the world that replicates the precise human jewelry retouching. And in this video, I want to do something that I haven't seen done by anybody else before. And what I want to do is to go on YouTube, find some good retouching videos. I want to make a screenshot of the before photo and run it through OIS.GOLD algorithm because the platform is already launched and we can do it live right now and then scroll to the end of the video and compare the results. So let's do it right now, and I believe everybody will be really interested in what's gonna happen. So let's go on YouTube and type in jewelry retouching and see what video we can use. Yeah, this one. This one is in the beginning and everybody can find this video, and let's look at it. I actually I like this photo. I think here, yeah, we need, I'll just go full screen right now. I just need to find the maximum resolution. Okay, I like this part. I think this is the best. Let's check if the quality is set to maximum. Yes. So I'm screenshotting this photo from YouTube video. So the quality of this piece is not that good as in the original photo, obviously. So I just screenshotted the video. Now I can exit YouTube and we will open this file in Photoshop. So before I run it through OIS.GOLD, I would like to do some like really rough retouching real fast. So we can use this remove tool, and I would like to go through all the major blemishes like this one, that one, that one. I don't like these black parts, this one. So anything that's really pops out could be considered as part of the texture for now because it's beta version. So I'm just getting rid of it like real fast. And you can actually see the time, the timestamps or the time that I'm using to get rid of all these small, like big actually blemishes, not the small ones. But I believe it's gonna take me less than 2 minutes. I think I'm doing too much, but okay, all these things, like this. Oh, and actually that part I don't like either. Let it be just white. And looks like pretty much I would remove that part. Yeah, and the black parts here, I don't like them. Like this, and these ones are too dark. It's gonna work or not, and I don't like that part now. Yeah, now it looks pretty good. Maybe that part. So this is our before image. So now I'm saving the file. I just saved the file, and now I'm gonna open isapp.ois.gold and process this photo. So I've just uploaded the file to OIS.GOLD so we can actually see the photo, that it's exactly the same one. No need to make any adjustments, so I'll just click cancel. And okay, let's upload it. Once it's uploaded, let's go to the settings, and as long as everything is sleek here, we don't have any textures, I can set it to max to 8. Let's see what's gonna happen. And now I just click Start Image Processing. And let's see how much time will it take. I believe it's going to take like around maybe 40 seconds. Actually, let's go to Photoshop and check the size of the image. Image size. It's 16 by 1400 pixels. Not bad, not bad. Like, some photos taken with cameras have smaller resolution than this one, so we're not in a bad spot actually. So the image is still being processed, but I believe it's gonna be ready soon. Meanwhile, we can open the YouTube channel and just see what the guy does. I actually really like this guy. He does really good job and explanation and the details, and the results come out really good. So I really appreciate his work. So what we have here, so far in like 5 minutes, he cleaned he didn't clean the dust, he cut the piece. And now he's doing these things. So you see he's painting. He actually uses the brush to paint. He's doing that manually. Look, all the gradients and everything is done manually. And these parts as well. And he actually he did several shots to get rid of the reflections, if I'm not mistaken. If it was that video, yeah. So the files are ready. So let's download them, and I will open the Photoshop file right away. And what we see here is actually the merge between the processed file and the original file by OIS.GOLD, but we don't need this for now. We need the before file, and actually we need to inverse this layer, and the after file. Look at this. Just like, let's increase, let's zoom in. This part, right? Look at this, and look what the guy did. Oh, I tried to zoom in YouTube video. Where, yeah, here. So he was actually painting over, but look what OIS.GOLD did and what he did. Just look at this. His work, I believe it took him like 20 minutes, maybe more, maybe 40 minutes to paint the whole ring. And OIS.GOLD did it in under 1 minute. Just look at this. And look at the pearl. Look at the reflections. Look at the shadows. Look at these edges. Look at the outlines. Oops. It looks fantastic. Look at this. Look at all the gradients. Maybe I don't like this black line. Done. 1 second. Look at these shadows. And look, that was before, right? And just think about it. You'd have to paint over all this mass. Tens of minutes, sometimes hours, you know this. It's just 1 minute. Just 1 minute right now, guys. That's insane. This is insane. And look, remember? That pearl looked like this. And it's a screenshot. Just think first, like for a minute. This was a screenshot of a YouTube video. And it looks so good. It just looks so good now. Look at the pearls. Look at these parts, like, ooh. Wow. Wow. It looks so freaking good. So let's see what the guy did next. So he painted. Yeah, I think this is good. So, oh no, it's not yet. It's not finished yet. Maybe here? Yeah. So what he did, he actually painted over, and he still has some kind of like textures. Maybe he didn't finish everything about the ring, but look, this is his result, and look at the edges here. these ones need to be fixed. And look at the edges that OIS.GOLD did, before and after. Look how smoother these reflections are. Like before, look at this, and after. And look at the YouTube video. I think I did it, but it just looks a little too rough, I think so, compared to OIS.GOLD. Then he applied some color grading, and I believe this is the final result, right? Yeah, this is the final result. Look, this, let me do the screenshot. Scale it. Do the transparency. I just want to show you his result, like after, and our result after. I got a line here, but whatever, let's neglect it. So this is the guy's work, a screenshot from YouTube video. And look at pearls. It's still not perfect. In less than a minute, OIS.GOLD gave you this result. And that was before. This is after the guy's work. And this is after OIS.GOLD. Look at the difference. Manual work, AI work. Manual, AI. Manual, AI. Let's look at other spots. So that was before. This is manual. This is AI. Manual, AI. Manual, AI. Actually, I like this part in the corner, but obviously you will confirm that it will take you maybe 3 minutes just to give it a final retouch to the image. And here. So this is before. This is manual, and this is our version. So the guy removed this natural actual reflection, if you remember. Where is it? Yeah, it was like a natural kind of glance. He removed it, and we left it here. What about this part? Let me see that part. Oh, he removed it because I believe it was hard, or maybe he didn't like it. Well, if we want to remove it, we can easily do it using that thing. Yeah, kind of done. Yeah, like that. Remove. So that's it, just 1 minute. So what do you guys think about this video? How well did OIS.GOLD perform? Because I think it performed exceptionally great, especially taking into the account that it's only the beta version. Only the beta version. And it performs already so good. And I would like specifically to hear about the results, like the opinion about the results from you, Ivan, who created this amazing, genuinely amazing, really good YouTube video on how to shoot and retouch jewelry. But why would you use all the manual tools nowadays if you can utilize the AI and use the only one tool, very like one-of-a-kind tool in the world, OIS.GOLD, to save you, I believe for this piece, it would be at least 25 or maybe 30-minute time saved. Think about it. So please write in the comments below to this video, what do you think? Ivan, you personally, please let us know what do you think. And feel free to follow the link in the description to this video and try the platform for free right now. And I hope you will enjoy the platform.